Kalila here, or Callie, and welcome to another video. Just a reminder, if you want to find me on social media, my Instagram is here, and it's over here as well. And there are motorcycles outside, motorcycling. But yeah, if you want to follow me there, go ahead and do that. And it's a yarn haul day. I haven't done one of these before, but I am very excited to see this yarn that I got. I got the K+C yarn, which is knit and crochet yarn, and it's 90%, I'll tell you all that later. I don't even remember, but I'm excited because all of the boxes, let me show you, are here. Well, the boxes, there's one big box, 2 packages, because Joanne sent them, shipped them off at different times. That is like, I ordered them at the same time. I don't know why Joanne did this, but let me unbox all of the yarn so that you guys can see what I got. I already told you what I got, but like, we need a first impressions here because I don't even know what it really looks like. So my younger sister opens up all of our mail. Okay, we don't mind, it doesn't matter. But this is supposed to be for an unboxing video. And she, Mr. Bobbin, by the way, and she totally ripped this open. I was like, no, that's for the yarn haul. So I got 19 balls of, I actually got 20. I got 20, I forgot. How much did I get? 10. No, I didn't get 10. That was from my other one. I think I got 20 balls of cream and one was canceled because they didn't have enough in stock. So I got 19 cream balls and then 5 gray balls. But let's see, okay? Okay, so this, it's so soft. Oh my gosh, I didn't get to touch it when you opened it. Mr. Bobbin's right there.
I didn't even see it.
I did see it.
Oh, I didn't see
because it was wide open, but it is so soft. Oh my gosh, bro. You can see like every, I don't know if you can, if it'll focus.
You gotta put your hand behind that thing.
Okay, focus.
No, behind.
Okay, there we go. You can see like every ply. I think that's what it's called. It's just so, oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. So this is one of them. It is 90% cotton, 10% acrylic. It's 102 yards and 50-gram ball, or 93 meters. What else? Product of Turkey. Okay, the knitting needles, it says 5 millimeter. For the crochet hook, it says 5.5 millimeter. The air just came on, but this is one of them. One came in this. Joanne, do better. So here's the next one. Okay, these are the rest of my cream balls. Let me see what the name of this is actually. It is not down here. I don't know what the name of this, oh, I found it. Oh, it's literally called Cream. So this is Cream. I will link the yarn down below so that if you guys want to get it, you can. So let me just take all of these out. Oop. So many balls. Oh my goodness. So these are all the ones so far. They came in, these were the 2 bags. And I think this is 10 balls right now. So let me open the box. The box is very light. Get some scissors. Okay, unnecessary. They literally put a bag of yarn in this big old box. Come on, bro. Joanne, do better, okay? So there are 1. Okay, this yarn came a little unraveled. Come on, bro. Come on, Joanne. I'm trying to hype you up here. 4 balls were in here. So I think I got 14. I think I got 20 total, and then 1 didn't come. So I got 14 cream instead of 15 cream. So that's the total amount. And then I got this color. So the cream color is going to be the main color. I want to make the Marseille sweater by Petite Knit. She's a knitter, but I want to crochet it and see how it turns out. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to swatch this. But this yarn is the same, KC Element, but this is going to be the main color and this will be the stripes for it. I'll put a picture of what the Marseille sweater looks like so you guys get an idea. I tried to get the colors as close as possible to hers, but I knew I wouldn't get like exact. So main color, stripe color. This is called gray. Not very creative with the names, but that's fine. But this is so soft. I don't even know what to compare it to because I usually use acrylic yarn. I don't use acrylic yarn anymore. What? He's literally staring straight at me. But I wanted to get this yarn. It's 10% acrylic, so it's mostly cotton, and I love how soft it feels. Like I said, I don't know what to compare it to because my yarn Opedia in my head is like limited to acrylic yarn, mercerized cotton, regular cotton, and that's it. I ordered alpaca and mohair yarn, so I will have more of an idea of what to compare it to, but it is so soft. It's a little fuzzy, and that's all I can tell you. I'm gonna go swatch it now and see like how it works up, which hook it works with. It says 5.5, but I'm gonna use a 4 and see how that works, okay? Alrighty, this is the yarn. So 5 of the gray color, which is like a little mix. It's like a gradient. I don't know how else to explain that, describe that. Here is all of the cream yarn. And now I'm gonna do a swatch and show you guys how it works up with the 4mm hook. So far, I'm liking the way it's working up. It is very smooth on my hook. I'm using the Furls Pride hook and it's very, very smooth. It does look like it can have some splitting, but I haven't had any splitting yet. But since like it's wound, it's twisted slightly. So you can literally just do like this and then the stitches will become unwound. But I don't think you can like put your finger through it unless you really try to split it yourself or your hook through it. But so far, so good. I'm going to continue working this up. I'll let you know what stitch I did afterward, and then I will come back and let you know my final thoughts. Alrighty, so I did the swatch and I decided to do slip stitches, and this is how it turned out. Let me let it focus. This is how it turned out. I am literally loving it so much. I did slip stitches because I usually do ribbing like this, and I wanted to see, let it focus, I wanted to see how it would turn out, if it would turn out well, and it definitely turned out the way I wanted it. I love it so much. It is so soft. It is not as fluffy as I thought it would be. I'll say that. I thought it would be fluffier, but it's not. I'm a little sad, but it's okay because I have some fluffy-ish alpaca yarn coming in, so I'm excited for that. But the rating I would give this yarn would be like a 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10 is pretty good in my opinion. I say 9 out of 10 because it is an amazing yarn. It's 90% cotton, 10% acrylic, so you get a nice cottony structure with acrylic softness. So well, acrylic isn't that soft, but like it softened the cotton yarn considerably with that 10%. And that makes the yarn very manageable, very soft, very nice to work with. I can work with my 4mm hook, which is how I made that swatch. But the one thing I would dock it for is for the splitting. It can split easily. It didn't split a lot with me, but I know that if splitting is definitely an issue for you, then you probably won't enjoy working with this yarn too much. I don't mind it because I know how to work around it. It's it's not bothersome to me. I like the yarn. That is why I only give it a 9 out of 10 instead of a 10 out of 10. Other than that, it would have been a 10 out of 10 because I love the texture. I love how soft it is. I love how it can work with my 4mm hook. And it's just great. But I will definitely attempt to make a Marseille sweater out of it. We'll see how that turns out. That will be another video, like I said. But thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you guys have tried this yarn before. And if you like it, dislike it, do you think you would want to get it based on what I've shown you and what I've told you about it? Let me know what other yarns you guys like to use. I am not someone who steps out of my comfort zone when it comes to yarn. I am literally 100% cotton, mercerized cotton, not just cotton. 100% mercerized cotton. I'm just like, I'm good. I don't want anything else. But I do want to step out of my shell, out of my comfort zone and try out different yarns, which I have been doing. So I'm really excited to continue doing these yarn hauls to show you guys my reactions to these different fibers because I have only used cotton and acrylic. That is it. And I want to branch out. So let me know what your favorite yarns are if you do use natural fibers because I do want to use more natural fibers and I'm trying to stay away from acrylic now. I got this yarn because I saw someone had it and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to try it. I haven't tried like mixed yarn before, so I thought that was cool. But other than that, I want to work with more natural fibers like alpaca. I don't know about wool because wool seems very scratchy. Mohair and just so many. Linen maybe. I don't know. But thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next time with another video. Bye!